Working from home at a desk all day really requires a nice, comfortable chair. And so I was looking for the perfect office desk chair solution, and I ended up purchasing this Neo Chair ergonomic office chair. A few of the features that I really like include that it is white. It is also available in some other colors, but I like that it has this nice leather seat because not only is it really comfortable, but it's also really easy to clean in case anything gets spilled on it or anything like that. I love that this chair is on rollers. It makes it really easy for me to roll around from my desk to anywhere else I may need to be while I'm working. It's also adjustable, so it works great with my standing desk. Whether I want to sit or make it a little bit higher, it's super simple with just a flick of this handle down here. You can also screw the knob both ways, and that allows you to recline just slightly with this chair. The armrests are super comfortable, and I really like the feature that they are able to be lifted up so that I can use them or I can get them out of the way depending on how I want to sit while I'm working. The chair is large enough for me for it to be very comfortable, but it's also small enough to really not leave a big footprint in my small office space. Assembly was really easy. It did not take that long at all, and I was able to do this pretty easily all by myself, although if you have someone to help you, it might just speed up the process that much more. Overall, I am loving my Neo Chair office chair. Now that I've been using it for a while, I can really feel the back support. I love that it's height adjustable and it goes along with my desk. It can roll around to wherever I need it to be in my office, and I can lift the arms up or down based on how I want to be sitting in that particular moment. I would highly recommend this chair if you're looking for a great supportive office chair.